Hey, it's Alyssa. So for this technology that I wanted to share with you, it is a free app um, from a not-for-profit organization out of Australia, and it is called the Smiling Mind app. And I was looking for something to help with our kids and their social emotional learning, and to meet our ISTE standards. 2.2 is a leader, and then 2.2a specifically shape, advance, and execute a shared vision for empowered learning with technology by engaging with educational stakeholders. Um, and of course, like as always with our kiddos, if need be, we're gonna be in communication with the social worker and the special ed team, and of course their parents. Um, and the second standard we're going to touch on with this app is Designer 2.5a, to use technology to create and adapt a personalized learning experience and foster independent learning, to accommodate learner differences and needs. And our final one for educational is an empowering leader, or for educational leadership, is 3.3, empowering leader. And 3.3G supports educators in using tech to advance learning that meets diverse learner, cultural, and social and economical emotional needs of individual students. So that goes back to we're making sure that we're touching base with our team. And this app is really cool. So you can go in and you sign up, and then it asks you who you are. And I chose parent, educator, and self. And then I filled out some questions, and then I chose like the kids version. So I can go in there, and it separates them out by age clusters. And so you can go into, like, let's say 7 to 9 year olds, and it will take you in, and it gives them sessions and learning. And so they can go in if they're feeling upset. You can already have these things favored and pre-liked, so they just go in there and say, I'm feeling angry, and it will take them to the breathing routine or yoga routine or a video to help talk them down. There's so many different choices that they have for what works for each individual student. And then of course the parents can have access, and it's totally free. There's nothing paid for, so that's really cool. And then of course you can use it as an educator and a parent. So that is all in there. And then they also have like little guided videos on, mindful speaking, how we interact with adults, and all these really cool little life lesson nuggets to just help boost that socio-emotional learning.